Attention! All hints and tips shown here are personal experiences and serve as support. The repair is at your own risk. All repairing tools used by us in the video can be found on our webshop STELLATECH.com. Just follow the links in the video description. For those who have already gained initial experience in smartphone repair, this repair should be well feasible. With a little patience, the device can be opened well, and also the battery can be easily removed and replaced with the help of the pull-out tape. Please write us in the comments on how difficult you felt the repair. Separating the LCD screen from the middle cover. Power off your device. Remove the SIM card tray, for example with the help of a paperclip. Remove 2 screws, pentalobe, beside the dock connector. Heat the LCD screen from the front side along its edges to release the adhesive. Fix the suction cup on the lower area of the LCD screen. Try to raise the LCD screen slightly by pulling up the suction cup. Then slide the plectrum tool between LCD screen and middle cover. Use the plectrum tool as a placeholder and start to lever once around the whole LCD screen with a second plectrum tool, alternatively with the spudger. Keep on heating again and again. Release the adhesive by levering and pulling until the LCD screen is separated completely from the middle cover. Attention! Do not raise the LCD screen completely after separating it. The LCD screen is still connected to the middle cover by the LCD flex cables, which are located at the right side. Release 4 screws, Y-type, of the connector covering and remove the covering with a tweezer. Attention! This screw is an inner thread screw. Means that this screw is bolted to the board and has at the same time in the head an internal thread for the screw with which the metal covering is attached. When removing the covering, there is now the danger that this screw will come off the board. If you do not notice this and fix the covering in this position of the screw, there will be automatically a higher position of the inner thread screw. In the worst case, this can cause the screw to press against the IC chip of the display and cause touch problems. This mistake can be easily avoided by fixing the inner thread screw each time after removal of the metal covering. Disconnect the flex cable with a spudger. Release the 3 screws, Y-type, of the flex connector covering in the upper area of the LCD screen and remove the covering with a tweezer. Release the subjacent flex connector with the help of the spudger. Now the LCD screen is separated completely from the middle cover. Removing the battery. Release the battery connector with a spudger. Release the endings of the 3 overlapping adhesive strips down at the battery with the spudger until you can grab them. Try to pull out the adhesive strips in one piece, one after the other. If one of the strips tears off by pulling them out, you have to heat the battery slightly from the back cover to release the adhesive. Then you can carefully lever out the battery with a spudger. Try to grab the adhesive with the tweezer while levering the battery. Then you can pull out the adhesive in one piece. Possibly the battery will be bent in consequence of levering. This won't be a problem. You can easily straighten it. Fixing the battery. We suggest using the original pull-out tape for the iPhone 7 Plus to fix the battery. Remove the protective foil from the pull-out tape and lay it down. Take the battery and put it adjusted on the strips. Attention! Make sure that the adhesive strips do overlap the end of the battery in the lower area so far that these overlapping endings can then be folded a little bit over the battery front side and glued on. Remove the protective foil to fix the overlapping endings. Then do also remove the protective foil from the backside of the three strips. Set in the battery, adjust it and push it solid. In the second part of the video, we've changed our working mat to show a direct comparison between light blue and dark blue checkered. We would be glad if you would leave us a short feedback in the comments which working mat you like better and which you think we should use for future videos. Thanks! Attaching the adhesive for fixing the LCD screen on the frame of the middle cover. Heat the adhesive residuals slightly for that purpose and remove them with the help of the metal spudger. Use a toothbrush soaked in spirit to clean the entire frame of the middle cover. Remove the protective foil from the adhesive. Adjust the adhesive on the frame of the middle cover and push it slightly. Push the adhesive solid with the help of the spudger. Finally, do also remove the protective foil from the back side of the adhesive. Closing the device. Link the LCD flex cable to the middle cover and push the connectors solid with the spudger. Tip: lean the LCD screen against an object, for example a bottle of spirit, after connecting it to the middle cover to prevent damaging the flex cables. Use the tweezer to lay down the flex cable covering and fix it with 3 screws, Y-type. Power on the LCD screen and test it for functionality. Do also fix the second flex covering with 4 screws, Y-type. Remove the left protective foil of the LCD screen adhesive with the help of the tweezer. Attention! The LCD flex cable on the side of the display should not be bent hard before closing the device. The flex bends naturally when the display is placed without the risk of touch problems due to a hard kink. Fix the LCD screen on the middle cover by pushing slightly. Start pushing in the upper area of the LCD screen until it is locked in. Then you can continue pushing in the lower area and once around. Finally, push the LCD screen solid with a cloth. Switch on the device and test the LCD screen for functionality. Insert the SIM card tray. Fix the 2 screws, pentalobe, beside the dock connector. If you want to know how to replace the LCD screen of your iPhone 7 Plus by yourself, then do also watch this video, iPhone 7 Plus Screen Replacement. All shown tools and spare parts can be found on our webshop, STELLATECH.com.